Hey guys, so in this video I will teach you how to schedule posts in LinkedIn. So what you need to do is head over to your LinkedIn in desktop and click the start a post. Once you're there, you can type in whatever you want. For here, I will just type in sample, and you can also attach post in your post some pictures, some videos, some files. And once you're done selecting all the necessary informations, you can just click this icon here of the clock, which means schedule for later. Just click on that and then choose the date that you want to schedule it in. You can schedule it, for example, for tomorrow and at time of whatever to your liking. So now that you've chosen the time and date that you want to post it, just click on next and click on schedule. And you're done. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of content. Follow for more.